Most earthquakes last under a minute, but in 2004, the ground shook for over 10 minutes straight. It happened off the coast of Sumatra, a magnitude 9.1 monster that ripped through the ocean floor and triggered a tsunami that killed over 200,000 people. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on interesting facts you never knew. It was so powerful, it made the entire planet vibrate and shifted the Earth's axis by nearly 3 inches. That wasn't just an earthquake, that was the planet resetting itself.